happy kiddos!
Hello, kids! Let's have fun doing yoga together. Are you ready? Stand tall and keep your body straight like a strong mountain. Take a deep breath. This is mountain pose. Stand on one leg and bring your hands together above your head. Balance like a tall tree. This is tree pose. Stretch your arms and legs wide like a shining star in the sky. This is star pose. Bend your knees and stretch your arms forward like you are sitting on a chair. This is chair pose. Balance your body and stretch one hand up to the sky like a beautiful half moon. This is half moon pose. Sit comfortably and cross your legs. Keep your back straight and relax. This is easy pose. Bring your feet together and flap your knees like butterfly wings. This is butterfly pose. Lift your legs and balance like a little boat on water. This is boat pose. Bend forward slowly like a quiet turtle hiding in its shell. This is turtle pose. Sit calmly with your legs folded and take a deep breath. This is lotus pose. Lie on your tummy and lift your chest like a snake. This is cobra pose. Lie on your back and lift your tummy up like a bridge. This is bridge pose. Hold your feet and lift your body like a bow. This is bow pose. Kneel down and rest your head on the mat. Relax like a resting child. This is child's pose. Lie down and stretch your arms and legs wide like a starfish. This is starfish pose. Stand on one leg and wrap your arms and legs like an eagle. Keep your balance. This is eagle pose. Stand on one leg and hold your foot behind you like a dancer. This is dancer pose. Balance on one leg and stretch your arms like airplane wings. This is airplane pose. Stand on one leg and stretch your body forward like a strong warrior flying. Keep your balance. This is warrior 3 pose. Keep your body straight like a strong board. Hold steady and stay strong. This is plank pose. Place your hands and feet on the mat and lift your hips up high. Stretch like a dog. This is downward dog pose. Lift your chest up and look forward proudly. Feel strong and tall. This is upward dog pose. Sit nicely and open your arms like a beautiful flower blooming. This is flower pose. Lift your arms up high and stretch toward the bright sun. This is sun stretch pose. Stretch your body sideways like a colorful rainbow in the sky. This is rainbow pose.
Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.